Creating hyperlinks. A hyperlink or link is an object or text that, when clicked, takes the users to another web page or opens a file. There are two types of hyperlinks. Internal links. Internal links are used to connect users to other pages within the same website. Before linking to other pages, you must make sure that the other pages are saved in the same folder and contain the file extension .htm or .html. To create an internal link, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text or image you would like to make a hyperlink. Step 2. Click on the small folder next to the link field in the Properties Inspector. Step 3. Browse through the files and select the page you would like to link. Step 4. Click OK. External links. External links are used to connect the users to page from other websites. To create an external link, follow these steps. Step 1. Select a text or an image you want to make a hyperlink. Step 2. Click the cursor inside of the link text field in the Properties Inspector. Step 3. Type the complete URL, that is web address of the website you want to link, that is www.educarepublications.com. Step 4. Select the target type as blank. Email link. An email link opens a new blank message window using the mail program associated with the user's browser. When clicked, in the email message window, the two boxes automatically updated with the address specified in the email link. To create an email link, Step 1. Select the text you want to be on your email link. Step 2. Click on the Insert menu at the top of the screen and select Email Link. A dialog box will appear. Step 3. Type the email address in the email box. Step 4. Click on OK.